What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? I wanted to share another testimonial video. It was another payday with TCP. Guys, as you can see, I'm paid out every week. You know, I like to shoot videos like this so you can see exactly what I'm doing, what I'm promoting, and how I'm utilizing it, okay? So for you guys that don't know, TCP is a marketing system, and I will show you over here. Let me just kind of go back. I always like to show these guys that show this is real, so company has longevity in the game. And you can see, guys, this is all the way back to April 2008. Hit the button here. As you can see, this is no screenshot, guys. So back here to April, all the way down, 2007. Hit the next button. All the way down 2007 into 2016. So guys, as you can see, I was always getting paid with this company here. So it's something that I truly love to promote, and I feel it's something that a lot of people could definitely utilize if you're going to be into the online marketing or to the online space. Okay, more than anything, if you're going to do this, you want to stand out. You know, when people join people, people join people. Okay, you got to understand that. They don't join the program. They don't join because, oh, they do this or they do that. That's part of it. But mainly they're joining because they trusted you. You brought it to them, or they feel that you can take them to the next level. That's why I've introduced this to a lot of people. Back in the day, I started off so heavy with this program with MCA. I was just letting a lot of people know with MCA, what am I doing? You know, how am I marketing these businesses? How am I marketing these companies? And I said, guys, I'm utilizing the marketing system. I'm buying leads from the back office, and I'm writing the leads. I'm texting the leads. I'm calling the leads, and I'm letting them know about the business. Or, you know, I would actually send leads directly in to my own opportunity and get leads into, you know, those particular businesses as well. So not only do this company have a marketing system, you can also purchase leads in the back office. Okay. If you see over here, this is the marketing suite, and that's a webinar builder. So, you know, this webinar builder plays a webinar every 2 hours. So if anyone's interested in your business or you have something that just constantly wants to play, that webinar will do that for you. We have a landing page builder. The landing page builder is going to allow you to create capture pages. So when people opt into your business, and what I'll do, I'll show you one of those pages here so you can see exactly one of them that I've made. And it's catered to make you some good money. Okay, so I'm going to show you this in just a second. Go. This is one of the pages that I use for one of my capture pages here through one of the systems. And I'm going to just kind of go in because I want you guys to see exactly how it works. So for you guys that don't know what a capture page is, a capture page is usually a person have to enter in their information before they can visit your page, before they can see your business. It's pretty much exchanging your information, their email, to get inside the business there, okay? So I'm going to just kind of show you guys here. So when someone opts in this page, it's going to take them to the next page, which this page is going to show you that you can make some large commissions with this particular company here. Okay, so if you guys like this and you want to make anywhere between 25 to 2 grand a day, you can definitely do this. So this is proof. People making 1,000, 2,000, $100, 250. It's built to promote this. Okay, so you sign up for it and then you go boom, next step. And this is what I made with this system, guys. This is the conversion pros. So the conversion pros, as I did this here, I pretty much made it to where in order to use this whole system, you have to have the conversion pros because it's a full marketing system. It's going to do all the selling and telling for you. So it doesn't matter, you know, if you're out with your family, out to eat, whatever you're doing, as long as you have this link working for you, it's going to always, you know, do the selling and telling for you. So that way people can always see what's about your business. Okay. So that's why I wanted to show you one of the sales funnels that I have created around this particular business there, okay? Now, I want to go back out. Go back out. Let's go over here. So we're going to go back to, we're just going to go back to the home page. Okay. So we're going to go back to the home page. We're going to go back. So you have your autoresponder. So if you guys, for you guys that are familiar with GetResponse, Aweber, Mailing Boss, any of those type of where it allows you to send out messages, the Conversion Pros allows you to do that as well. Okay, you can send out broadcast messages. Your autoresponder sends out daily messages. You know, if you want to program 2 messages to go out on the autoresponder daily, you can do that. You can also do an email broadcast. So you know, whatever video you're shooting for today, you can pretty much send that out to your leads. or to your list, so that way they can see exactly what you have going on, guys. SMS broadcaster for your text messaging. So everyone that's opted in your funnels or that has entered in their phone number, you can send out a text blast through that to their cell phones. Okay. The blogging platform, we have a link rotator. So if you're buying traffic and you have a team, the links rotate so everyone's getting leads. We have generic marketing videos, guys. We literally cover you with everything. Okay. Not only that, we have pre-built pages for you as well. So not only do we show you how to do everything, guys, we have pre-built funnels all ready for you. And this is going to be under your share code. So for your autoresponder, if you're in any of these niches, we kind of have things already done for you. You just want to go in, edit them up, switch out some links where it all matches you. So you're good to go. So generic biz ops, excuse me guys, generic biz ops, weight loss, travel, TCP, and credit repair. So these are some of the actual autoresponders that we have. We show you how to just copy this code, and all the messages are just going to lay out in your autoresponder sequence once you set it up. But there's going to be training that's going to pretty much walk you through that. Okay, so we're going to go here to the landing pages. The landing page is going to be the one that's going to give you everything here. So depending on the niche of the business that you're in, you can pretty much utilize these pages here. And I've showed you guys one of the pages that I've already built. So this is just one that I've built. And this is one that I'm just show you here. Just more of a lifestyle video. And you can change these out. See, the thing is that I want to show you how easy this is. If we go to copy, and then I go into it, it's going to go in and allow me to make changes here. And I can go in and change the font. I can add more pictures in. I can literally do whatever I want to do to make this a better page there, okay? So it's not just set there. You can go in and make all type of changes that you prefer to make. Let's go out. And guys, this is a free trial as well. So no credit card required. You can definitely test drive this out for 7 days and no credit card required. You want to go and purchase leads. You can order leads here. We have a whole training, how to call them, what to say. I'll show you the price here. So if I wanted to send them to my own campaign, and I wanted generic biz op leads, which would be generic business, male and female, this is the cost of my leads there. So I'm going to leave that up there for the screen. Okay. Female only, 50 leads, $49. Okay. Live interview leads. These are people that have just been called. They're ready to go. They're hot. You just want to reach out to them. They're a little more, but these are good. They're more like buyers leads. Okay. That's the difference here. And you just figure out which campaign you want to send them to. So if it's the income funnel, instant income funnel, everyone that purchases leads or anything like that will pretty much, pretty much anyone that opts in my system here, they will actually get those messages. I apologize. So they will get all the messages that I have for that particular series, so that's going to follow up with them. If I don't have anything where I'm marketing directly, I can send them directly to TCP, and they're going to do all the follow-ups for me. So that's how that works out for you guys. Okay? If you do need training with this system, we also give you some basic training to get you going outside of the on the marketing side as well, from Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube, Craigslist, on down. Now, I do have bonus training as well as far as ManyChat, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads. I will take care of you. So once you become a paid member, reach out to me and say, Jay, give me the training, and I'll make sure that you have that, because I don't know where you're at, and then some people are they got it all, so I don't know. So reach out to me, okay? So that's that. We also have a system training where we're going to walk you through the training itself, okay? Walk you through the back office of all of the how to work the conversion pros itself, so that way you're not stuck. Some people, the first thing they do is start emailing, right? They start writing, how do you do this? How do you do that? But we literally have everything in the back office for you to check out. So it's totally up to you as far as, if you're going to take action and look around in the back office. That's one of the first things that we do ask you to do, okay? So the drag and drop builder, using share codes, adding videos as backgrounds, editing your social media icons, how to set up your free page if you build your own. Literally, guys, you're taken care of. We set it all up for you, okay? But as soon as you come in with this, you want to go through here. You want to go through the Fast Start training. If you join me, I will welcome you to the group, So you also want to make sure that you join our private Facebook group as well. So that way you're in the loop of everything that we are doing, guys. It's up to you. You know, if you want to learn, you're going to learn. We're going to give you everything that you need to do to learn. Definitely make sure that you guys go to our Facebook group. You want to go there so that way you can make sure that you're in their loop with everything that we're doing. Alright? Guys, the conversion pros is $25. Okay? I'm sorry, $50 if you after you decide to take the free trial. We give it to you for free for 7 days. If you decide to move forward, it is $50 per month. Each person that you bring in, they're going to give you a $25 residual payment for each person. So as long as they're utilizing the system, you're going to get paid each month. How it goes. 5 people, you're at $125 a month. 10 people, you're at $250 a month. 20 people, $500. 50 people, $1,250. So you want to think about the monthly income goals that you have for yourself. This is where you want to play the part at. Okay? Now again, I created a system that has a higher ticket program on the back end. So if you guys want to definitely check that out, join them and join those. I'm going to have a link right at the bottom for that. We have our app as well. Definitely you guys want to take advantage of the apps, because the apps is going to, as soon as someone opts into the page, they're going to notify you, hey, you know, you have a new lead, and you can text them, you can send an email, whatever it is that you want to do, but it works right away. It's pretty much in real time, and I want to pull this up and show this to you guys. So this is the app. So it allows me to kind of do my fingerprint. So I'm going to log into it. And it just kind of tells me everything. And it's not updated, but it just kind of tells me everything that goes on. Okay? So I wanted to show you guys here that we have things in place with this as well. And that's a pretty slick app. Alright? So guys, I'm going to leave a link for you to check this out. You can test drive it for free. There's no charge to test drive it. Check it out. See how you like it. And if it's everything that you thought it would be, go ahead and sign up, man. I'm going to give you free training. I'm going to make sure that you're good to go. But I just want you guys to see exactly what we're doing. Income goals that you have, they can be achieved. These are some of the programs. We have communities that literally you're going to have your back. We're literally going to have your back. All right? So, guys, check it out. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Till my next video. Peace.